Hi, I'm Brian Biga from Lutron, and homeowners today are constantly looking for new technology to put in their home. But they're not just looking for any technology, they're looking for simple technology. They want to have things that add convenience to their life, but is easy to understand. Lutron just recently released a new product called Maestro Wireless. It's an opportunity to just do that, to add simple technology to your home that adds value to you every single day. Let's talk about the parts and pieces for a minute so you can see how all this comes together. First of all, you have our Maestro dimmer that allows you to dim the lights up and down with the sidebar, or turn it on and off by pressing it anywhere on the paddle itself. We also have a Maestro switch available. So if you don't want to dim that light, you can use a switch as well and still put it on the system. The next piece that we have is the lamp dimmer. Very, very easy installation. The way that this works is you plug this into your receptacle, you would plug your lamp into the back, and just like the Maestro product itself, you'd have a full range of dimming with the bar on the side and a paddle button to turn it on and off. The installation for the Maestro dimmers and switches is actually the exact same as an existing switch or dimmer in your home. It allows you to take your existing switches in a space and add our system right into your home. One of the components that really makes Maestro Wireless a magical product is the Pico. The Pico control allows you to turn these lights on and off that are being controlled by the dimmers, switches, and lamp dimmers. You can turn everything on by hitting the on button, turn everything in the room off by hitting the off button, adjust the levels in that space with the up and down arrows. And what we have here is the opportunity to use this silver button. And what the silver button does is allows you to recall one scene. So let's say you've set up a Maestro Wireless system in your living room. You may need 2 lamps to be controlled. You may need a switch for one set of lights and a dimmer for another set of lights. What the Pico does is allows you to control them all at once, turning them all on, all off, making any adjustments you choose, and then also creating your favorite scene. The silver button allows you to set everything to the way you want it, hold down the silver button, everything memorizes where it's supposed to go, and every time you hit that button, it all comes back to that perfect setting just for you. There's several unique opportunities with Pico. First of all, it comes with a car visor clip. So if you wanted to be able to pull into your driveway, turn on a few lights from your car, this remote control can just clip onto your car visor. Let's say you want to use this as a keypad in your home. Well, this right here, which is battery operated, can actually fit right into a normal faceplate, kind of like this one right here, and you can just stick it right on the wall, providing an opportunity to have a keypad completely retrofit. Last opportunity with Pico is to have this on a table next to you, to be able to control the space at a touch of a button. One of the finishing touches we have with this system is the new wireless occupancy sensor. It's called Radio Power Saver. So what does an occupancy sensor do? Well, if it's an occupancy sensing mode, it means that when you walk into the space, it turns your lights on for you. And when you leave the space, after a certain amount of time, and it doesn't sense any movement in that space, it turns the lights off for you, providing energy savings. The unique opportunity with Radio Power Saver is the fact that it's wireless. You can put this wherever you want. It's made to be ceiling mounted, but if you notice, it's battery operated. Both of these lithium batteries come with the product and have a 10-year lifespan. Mount Radio Power Saver on the ceiling, allowing it to communicate to your already existing dimmers, switches, and lamp controls that we already reviewed. The other unique thing about Radio Power Saver is the fact that not only does it have an occupancy sensing mode, but it also has a vacancy sensing mode. Now, what does that mean? Vacancy sensing is the opportunity to come in and turn the lights on manually and only have it turn off when it doesn't sense motion. So picture yourself in a bedroom. If you go to sleep and you start to move in the middle of the night, you don't want the lights coming on. But if you leave the room and you have the lights on, you'd like them to turn off after you're not in there for a while. It's a perfect solution for that application. You'll notice that there's buttons on the back of this. We wanted to make this very, very simple for people to use. There's a button here that allows you to pick 30 minutes, 15 minutes, or 5 minutes before it turns itself off without motion. It allows you to adjust between the occupancy sensing mode as well as the vacancy mode. And then the last piece is sensitivity. How much motion do you really want it to sense? Well, we've come out with a very unique graphic here of a person standing, a person sitting, and a person running to make sure that we capture all the motion that you want to, and maybe we don't capture some of the things you don't. Customers often share with me that their children leave lights on around their house. Between them and their own habits, people are always looking for ways that they can turn off their lights and save money. Radio Power Saver gives you that opportunity. And after a short amount of time, you'll find that your Radio Power Saver will pay for itself. Whether you're looking for energy-saving solutions, simple technology for your home, or the best in fashion and design, Lutron has the answer. Team up with Capital Lighting and Lutron Electronics to find the best solution for your home.